Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm back again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this very cool flashing LED circuit, but this time using the Arduino. And I showed you guys how to make it with a 5-5 timer, and this video will be linked down below in the description, and also all the schematics and softwares and social media links and everything, and very important information will be down below in the description, so you definitely need to check it before you watch the video and check the duration for what circuit you want to make. So let's get started. So first things first, you need to decide how you're gonna make your circuit. So we're gonna be using mainly Arduino, so you need to decide what type of Arduino you're gonna use, if it's Arduino Pro Mini or Arduino Uno or even Mega. So you need to decide what Arduino you're gonna be using, as well as deciding the type of the circuit, if you're gonna use a PCB or a breadboard, or even not using anything, not even solder or anything, just connecting it by hand. And it's all up to you. So this video is gonna be 3 parts, but in the same video it's gonna be divided into 3 parts in one video. So you can go down below in the description, check the parts, and click on the links down below for each type of circuit in the same video. For the duration of each type of circuit, you will find it down below in the description. So you just need to decide the circuit and the Arduino, but for me I'm gonna be using Arduino Uno in the whole parts. So you need to decide if you're gonna be using a PCB or a breadboard or nothing. Okay, so you go down below in the description and click on the duration link for any of the parts. So after you decide, let's get started. So I'm back, guys, and I got everything I'm gonna need to make this breadboard circuit. So mainly you're gonna need the brain of the circuit, which is gonna be my Arduino Uno. And you need some LEDs if you want to make the circuit complicated. So I'm just gonna use a red LED, and the rest of the pack is gonna be useless. And you need a few jumper cables. I got 5 here. I got 5, and that's gonna be an okay number. Mainly you need the breadboard, which is some of the important things, as well as the cables that you're gonna connect your Arduino Uno to your PC to program it. And you will also finally need a resistor. So I got this 1K ohm resistor right here, and this is gonna be all the stuff you're gonna need. So the next step is gonna be programming your Arduino. So let's go to my PC and start with the programming process.
So guys, here I am on my PC, and I got the Arduino IDE software version 1.8.3, and now I'm gonna start the time lapse of me making the code. And you can go down below into the description, and you will find the code that you can download for free, as well as the schematics and the duration links and social media links. So you definitely need to check the description to be able to make this circuit. So let's get started making the code. So guys, I am completely done for my code. Now I choose the pin, which is going to be pin 6. I choose it as my output, and the ground is going to be the default ground of the Arduino. And then you need the digital write command to identify the pin 6 is going to be on high mode, or it's outputting some voltage, and then I got the delay of 500 milliseconds, which is half a second. And then the digital write mode again, but this time it's low to stop the output. So now let's compile or verify this sketch and see if there's any problems with our work. So we got a little bit of an error right here. Let's fix it by doing this, and hit compile again, close this window and wait for it to load again. now we got another problem. Oh, right here, we need to put this. So now we are done compiling and there's no any problems with our code. So now I'm connecting my Arduino Uno to my PC. And I got it connected, and you can hear that I don't know if you did hear that. But now we need to hit that right aiming arrow to upload the code to our Arduino. Recompiling it and then uploading it, and then it's uploaded. So let's start the wiring and finish the stuff.
So guys, I'm back right here and I got my Arduino with the code uploaded to it and my breadboard. So let's start putting my main parts, which is gonna be firstly, it's gonna be the LED right here, as well as the resistor connected to any prom like this, and use a jumper wire to connect the positive terminal, which is gonna be the side with the longest leg, which is this side. This is a positive terminal, which is connected right to the resistor. Connect that to the pins that you have chosen in your code. This is a bad jumper wire. Change it. This is a new one. And connected to the pin that is in your code, which is in our case it's gonna be pin 6, and here is pin 6 with a PWM signal ability. Now connect your negative terminal to your ground connection right here in the Arduino, and the other side is to the negative terminal. And now I'm gonna go connect it back to my computer to see if it's gonna work or function properly or no. So let's go. So guys, I changed my angles a little bit, sorry for that, and the leg of my tripod is here. I'm sorry for that as well, but here's the cable connected to my PC, and the moment I connected to it, the LED starts flashing right away. So this is a success. So let's get into the other type of circuit, which is going to be using nothing and not even a PCB. So let's go. So guys, I got all the wiring disconnected from my breadboard, and simply you need the positive terminal of your LED is to connect right into pin 6 like this, and the other terminal simply need to be connected to the resistor, but I think that this resistor is not gonna be tall enough to get to the ground. Oh, there's a ground right here as well, which is really good. Any ground pin in your Arduino, and be careful not to short circuit with not to make your resistor short circuit anything in your Arduino connections. And like that, you are done. Now let's connect this one. As you can see, the resistor to ground and positive terminal to pin 6. So let's connect this as well to my PC and see if it's gonna function properly. So I'm back again in my other angle, and I got my connection to my Arduino from my PC, and connect it and see if it's gonna function. And here is it functioning really well with no PCB or breadboard. So now let's go to the final way of making this flashing LED circuit, which is going to be on a PCB, which is the hardest way, say, for my PC devices, and this is going to be the hardest way. So let's go get a PCB and our solder iron and some tools and start moving. So I'm back, guys, finally for the final steps. And I found this circuit in my drawer, including this LED and this resistor, and I thought it's going to be very useful, as well as this 2 jumper wires and my Arduino Uno. And at the back there, I got my soldering iron and my helping hand. And I got also this solder wires, 0.7 millimeter, and this brush, aluminum brush or whatever, to clean my solder iron off. So I'm gonna start off by connecting my jumper wires right in the right places that they are supposed to be connected in, and then I will move this Arduino right out of the way. Like this. Hopefully it's not gonna fall off. And then I got my solder iron. And yeah, let's start soldering this on. So here I am, guys. I am completely done from this step, so I will disconnect my solder iron for my safety and remove it off my table. And yeah, so let's clean this up and simply connect this to my Arduino. So now I need to see, you see this one lifted up a little bit, you know, I don't really care about that. Now you wanna identify the positive terminal and the negative terminal, and in my case this is the ground. So I will connect it to my Arduino ground in this right to pin 6. Like that. So let's change some angles and connect it to my PC and see if it's gonna work. So I'm sorry guys for my tripod lag, but this is the only way to test this out. And here is it flashing, and that's working very well, but it's not bright enough, but it is flashing. So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope that you really get help from this video. And yeah, so thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to check the description down below, because it got a ton of very important information down below. And yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.